Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Windows 11 update error, and the error code is 0x800703ee. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting the error code while updating your Windows, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on Start menu, then search for Settings, click on Settings. In left section you can see a System, just click on System. After that, come to right side. In this you can see a Troubleshoot, just click on Troubleshoot, click on Other Troubleshooters. You can see a Windows Update, just click on Run. After clicking on Run, it will detect and identify the problem, and it will update your Windows. After that, just close this window. Just click on Start menu, then click on this search bar, then search for services. Just right click on services and click on Run as Administrator. Guys, in this you need to find Windows Update. Just press W key and you need to scroll down a little bit. You can see here Windows Update. Just right click on Windows Update and click on Stop. Just minimize the screen and come to your C drive. Open your this PC. In this you need to open local disk C. Just double click on that. After that, you need to open your Windows folder. In this you need to find software distribution. You need to scroll down and search for the software distribution. Just double click and open. You have to delete all these folders. Just select and press Shift and press delete button. Click on yes. Just tick mark and click on continue. Guys, after deleting these folders, once you have to restart to your laptop or PC. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.